Hello, great evening, everyone. Great evening, great evening, great evening. Happy Monday. Happy Detox Day. Today's the first day of the detox, so I'm excited here. And I got a lot of information I want to share with you guys about what's involved with the detox and how good it is for your body. So, but before I start that, I just want to let you all know that make sure that you do your own research. Okay, if you decide to take the detox as well, do your own research and make sure if you're taking medications that you speak to your doctor and make sure that everything's okay, right? So I spoke to mine and my doctor says as long as I stay hydrated, I'm fine. My sickness that causes my chronic pain is sickle cell anemia followed by vascular necrosis, but it's the sickle cell that I have to stay hydrated. So I got a lot of water here. Got a lot of water here that I'm drinking. This is distilled water. I've got some coconut water here that's I'll be drinking while I'm on the detox as well. And I also have some alkaline water. If you don't know what alkaline water is, it is, this one looks like that. You can get it at any like Shoppers Drug Mart store. And if you see, it has a 8.1 alkaline, okay, or pH, 8.1 pH. So that means like how much alkaline is in the water, like that it's you know, our bodies need alkaline, and this is how much is in there. So it's better than just like the regular bottled waters that you see that probably, I don't know, it says spring water on there, but I don't really know what's like in it, you know, or where it comes from, where that source of water it comes from. But so make sure you talk to your doctor and you do your own research. Now this morning I woke up at 6:30 and sorry, 5:30. I usually wake up kind of early, but at 6:30 I took my the minerals. So the first mineral is this one's called the Vitality, right? And the Vitality is promotes estrogen. I'm just looking at my computer screen here while I talk to you guys, so I can see well my notes, you know. But it so fertility, and there's a one for men, there's one for females as well. So I'm a man, I'm taking the male one. So this inhibits estrogen, promotes free testosterone, increases energy, libido, fertility, and reverses erectile dysfunction, right? And we definitely don't want any of that. So I'll take this all day, every day. No erectile dysfunction over here. Okay. This one is called the Sweeper, and it is the Sweeper is good for, 1 second here. This thing always pops up on my screen. Okay. The Sweeper expels toxins from the gastrointestinal and digestive tract. It promotes optimal kidney and liver health. So this one is good for your kidney and your liver, and expels toxins from your gastrointestinal and digestive tract. Okay, so takes away toxins. If it takes away toxins, toxins leads to inflammation, and inflammation leads to pain. I want no pain at all, and that's my that's the thought process behind this detox, is to remove the toxins that causes the inflammation, and therefore there will be less pain. Okay, so amongst this detox here, this is the, I'm allowed to eat, okay, but I cannot eat from during the daytime hours, so from morning till evening. No eating, okay, just drinking water. I could drink the coconut water sparingly throughout the day, okay, as needed. And then I also have a special prepared water. It's called structured water, which involves the distilled water and the minerals mixed in together with the water. So these two minerals and a third mineral, chlorophyll. Chlorophyll promotes oxygen in your body, in your blood cells, and especially if you have sickle cell, that's the reason that the cells lose its shape and can't pass through the bodies, because it causes blood clots, because there's not enough oxygen in the cells. So chlorophyll helps to promote the oxygen. So okay, but again, in this detox, so these minerals here are to be taken 3 times a day, first thing in the morning, and then again at noon between 12 and 3, and then again between 6 and 10 p.m. Okay, so during those times I'm only drinking the structured water, and sparingly the coconut water as well. Okay, so after those hours, then I can eat certain things. There's a certain meal I have prepared here, but when cooking, okay, there's rules to this, okay? So the don'ts are no frying of foods, okay, no barbecue, no boiled food, no saute. 4 things, 4 rules, okay? And the reason why: so no frying food in or on the surface of an extremely hot grease, so like oil, you know, it just the food, when you're cooking with oil, you know, it's just fat, and the fat gets clogged into your veins and stuff. So we're trying to get rid of all those kind of toxins and stuff. So we're not eating any fried foods, okay? Same thing with the barbecue. If you're barbecuing over charcoal-based fire, that also has toxins in there. So we're not doing that. And when we boil food, it devitalizes most of the nutrients in the food, okay? And so we're not doing that either. And the saute, same thing. It's fried, you know, even if it's you're frying it with small amounts of oil at a low temperature, but at the same time it's still oil, and it still does the same purpose as like frying food. So we're not doing that. What we will do though, okay, is we will be able to bake. So you can cook in the oven at a low temperature or medium temperatures. You can eat simmer foods, so heat food below the boiling point at the lowest possible fire setting, okay? You can eat steam food, where you prepare your food in a pot with holes at the bottom that's placed within another pot filled with water, forcing the steam upward, right? That's what steam is. So steam is partially cooking the food as it steams the food, like vegetables, and that way all the nutrients stay inside of the vegetables, okay? And the other that you can do while cooking is the marinade. So you can marinate vegetables, food, like into a liquid solution for a certain period of time. So marinate, you know, like you marinate, if you were to, I was gonna say, like, kind of like you marinate meat, I guess, to season it, but we're not eating meat during this detox, okay? So I'm sure everyone knows what marination is anyways. So okay, and then, so let me show you what I prepared. This is going to be my dinner for tonight. I have here, I can't really turn it around, but I'm going to put the, okay, so this is Arugula Salad with some red onion, okay, and a little bit of coconut oil in there, okay? So I'm gonna eat that with, now I prepared this, and while I was preparing it, someone else in the house here decided they wanted to have some, so they took quite a little bit there, but that should be enough for me. If not, I'll just make some more. But so this is avocado with coconut oil and a special sea salt. What's it called? Here, I'll show you. It's this Herbamore sea salt. Okay, and this sea salt is infused with organic herbs and vegetables. And that's the other thing. Everything here is organic. So organic. The lettuce is organic. The red onions is organic. The avocados is organic. Everything's organic. Okay. And then also some cumin. There's some cumin mixed inside of there as well. Just a little bit of cumin. Okay, and then mix it all together, and from what I could smell, it smells really good. Even the other person in the house here that took some says she put it on a wrap here and put the paste on the wrap and says it was really good too. So I trust that that's good. I'm about to eat that in about the next 10 minutes. I could break my fast. So now it's the first day of the detox. I'm going to tell you what is supposed to happen to my body while I'm on this detox on the very first day. One moment here. I'm just going to put this down here. 1 second. And what's good with this detox, I got this from a company called the Detox Now, and they're from New York. I heard about them on a radio station on the show called The Breakfast Club. So if you're familiar with that radio show, that's where I got it from. And you know what? I haven't eaten anything all day. I do not feel hungry. I don't feel hungry at all. A little bit thirsty, but like I said, I can be drinking throughout the day, which is fine. And I can't find what I'm looking for right now, but actually, I think it's, yeah. Anyways, when I do find it, maybe I'll go through it another day. But anyways, I still feel good. I feel this morning I even went to the gym. I took the minerals and oh, here. See, so this is how much water you're supposed to drink per day. It's supposed to be like 810 milliliters of water with the solution. Okay, so the distilled water and the minerals all mixed together. And once I filled it up, I measured it and I filled it up. It goes to about this size. So, and I already drank all of this just from, I finished it by noon, by the time I was finished at the gym. So I know when I work out, I tend to drink a lot more water than I would if I wasn't at the gym. But yeah, so probably fill it up again and drink another one of these. So try and drink as much fluid as possible. As I said, I'm supposed to stay hydrated. And but I feel good. I don't feel weak at all. I haven't used the bathroom though, just for those of you that are curious. I haven't used the bathroom. Maybe a little bit of gas this morning, but I feel healthy. I feel strong. No dizziness or nothing in the head. Nothing like that. I feel good. Oh, also in the water is a lime, some key lime here, and this is what gives it the alkaline in the water. Is you put this half a lime or lemon, whichever you prefer. Again, this is organic too. In the distilled water and with the minerals, and you drink that, and it just refreshes your body, keeps you going all day long, and will remove the toxins and clean out your system. Excuse me, clean out the body right? So I'll let you know what's going on for day 2. I'll let you see what I'm cooking, and I'll try and find that paper I was looking for to let you know like what's supposed to happen in the body each day that goes along. Okay. So hope you all found that informative. If you're ever thinking of detoxing, like, you know, like I said, do your own research. And if you found any value in the one that I'm doing, if you have any questions, you could message me. Feel free to message me. Subscribe to the channel, share this with a friend, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Okay, so too many ums here. I'm a bit nervous, and I'm just excited to finally get something to eat. 6 more minutes and I can eat. So but yeah, I mean, it's just that it smells really good. I could smell, there's coconut oil in there too. I could either put coconut oil or avocado oil, and the coconut oil just makes it smell. Oh, sorry, you know what I'm eating it with? I forgot to tell you. I'm eating that with this spelt bread. So it's spelt bread without yeast. No yeast in the spelt bread. I totally forgot. This is what I'm eating it with, okay? So it's the salad, the avocado, and the spelt bread. Okay, so the protein is in the bread. For those of you that are wondering where am I getting my protein, it's in the spelt bread. Okay, there's no yeast in here. It's organic, and you know what? This diet doesn't cost very much. Okay, for I had a lot of the ingredients like the coconut oil and the sea salt and stuff like that already in the house. The only thing I really had to buy was the bread, the avocados, the red onion, and the water. This big jug of water was only like $2, I think, 2 something. It's a 4 liter, so this might even last me the whole, at least 3 days, because I drink a lot. I drink more than the average person, actually. Even on a regular day, I drink a lot of fluids, more than the average person. So altogether, I probably spent about, I got quite a bit of coconut water though, because I like coconut water. So I'm excited to this. This is going to be a breeze for me. Maybe $30, you know. But some of the ingredients I got today I can also use for some of the other recipes that's in there for another day. So once we get there, then I'll share with you what, you know, some of these things you already have in your house too. So, but I'll share with you when the time comes. So anyways, got to get going. I'm going to go eat in 4 more minutes. Time's going by slow. Anyways, have a great day. See you tomorrow. Okay, bye.